Ever wondered if someone could figure out exactly where a picture of yours was taken? The quick answer is yes, and honestly, it's way easier than you probably think. So let's break down how it's done, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself. See, almost every photo you take has hidden data inside, like the exact GPS coordinates. It's called EXIF data. It embeds stuff like location and time right into the photo file itself. So yeah, the fastest way to find a location, just read that hidden GPS data. It's literally 3 steps. Upload the photo, find the coordinates, and pop them into Google Apps. But what if there's no GPS data? Well, that's when you become a digital detective. Okay, your first tool in the toolkit is a simple reverse image search. Google Lens, for example, can match your photo against billions of others to find a location instantly. Next up, you can get even more advanced with AI geolocation tools. This is cool. The AI analyzes clues in the scene, architecture, road markings, even the plants. And get this, one study found AI could pinpoint the country of a random photo 79% of the time. And of course, there's the old school human approach, analyzing all those visual clues yourself. So how accurate are these different methods, really? Well, the accuracy is all over the place, from the entire country down to just a few meters. Let's go back to that first one. That EXIF data can be accurate down to just 3 to 5 meters. That's enough to find a specific building, or even your home. And that's the biggest privacy risk. Okay, so how do you erase your tracks and to actually protect your privacy? Let's talk solutions. The best thing you can do is remove that GPS data before you share any photo. On an iPhone, it's easy. When you share, just tap Options at the top and toggle Location Off. To turn it off for good, just dive into your camera's location settings and select Never. And on Android, just open your camera app settings and switch off location tags. Easy. Your photos share more than just a moment. The real question is, are you controlling the story?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With EXIF Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.